All right, y'all. We are going to cook us some chicken livers today. That's them before washing. I washed them about 3 to 4 times. And I'm going to leave the fat on there because I want some fat drippings. I did not cut these up. I used garlic powder, onion powder, little Old Bay, sea salt, regular salt, pepper, and a little bit of sugar. And now we're going to pan sear these in bell peppers, onions, yellow peppers, a little bit of butter. So that's me just mixing it up, trying to get the seasonings coated. I did not use any flour to coat the livers. I would have done that if I fried it. I don't think I ever really cooked chicken livers before. But anywho, I'm just flipping it over. And this didn't take too long to do. And it already kind of made a gravy on its own. I'm transferring it to a foil pan. I saved those pans from the manicottis from Sam's Club. They come in handy. Those are some good pans, y'all. And so I added a flour and water mixture. I did season the flour with the same seasonings I put on the chicken livers. Look at that gravy, y'all. Look good. It looked good. It smelled good, y'all. And so I'm giving y'all the slow motion of me pouring that gravy over those chicken livers. It looks so good, y'all. Country cooking, y'all. And these chicken livers were about less than $2 for a pound. All right. So I'm covering it with foil. I'm going to bake it on low for about 2-3 hours. Bleach everything you touched. I paired that with cornbread, and look at there, y'all. We have us some pan-seared and oven-baked chicken livers. Put that over some rice or some potatoes or some egg noodles, and you are good to go.